Hey there, Temmie. Should we go check the kiln? I think we're about to go into reduction, aren't we? Come on. Hi folks, welcome. I think it's the 11th of July. Firing my little kiln here. I have this light on to remind me that I'm firing the kiln. Because sometimes I'm in the house and I forget. So when I come outside and I see the light, I think, oh yeah, I've got a firing I'm supposed to be attending to. So I'm not as forgetful as that really, but anyway, yeah, so this little kiln here, I just quickly packed it today, and we are going to check the pyro, because what I'm wanting to do, we are 1994, so that's about the temperature I want to put it into the reduction phase. This small kiln runs on one weed burner. It goes up to my 40 pounder, that's a 40 pounder tank, and there it is. You can see the setup. We have the slot cut in the lid, and inside there is a flue inside to conduct the gases in a downdraft style, so to speak, up and away, up through that flue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just increase the gas and see if I can just put it into reduction. Just going to do that by opening the gas tap here, and I'm hoping that we will go into reduction. Here goes. There it is. Let me turn on this light over here. Turned off that flashing light. So we put it into reduction by putting in too much fuel so the kiln can't burn it all. Now the problem with that is you can knock back the temperature. So I want to just check the pyro here, because we still want to see an increase in temperature, you see. Now, if the kiln is not going up in temperature, then we're going to have to cut back on that reduction a little bit. And if we observe, oh yeah, it's just gone up one little bit, but it's rather too slow. So, that's also quite a... So as So we're still in reduction. You can see the flame there. Let's have a look, see if the temperature you can see the temperature is rising. Yeah, it's going up. Too much reduction, you see, will prevent the kiln temperature from rising, and you go into like a stall mode where the kiln doesn't rise. The trick is to get reduction and also to get temperature rise. Now what I can do here, I've got these little bricks on either side here. These little bricks are usually Put there a bit like that. Okay. Now what generally, let me just step back a bit here because the sound, what generally tends to happen is initially the reduction, I want to start with a good solid heavy reduction to start with, but then you find that the reduction gets heavier as you go, so you want to cut it back a bit. So there we have temperature rise and reduction. We've got reduction flame and we've got temperature rise. That's what we're aiming at, okay? And that basically in a nutshell is a trick of how to reduction fire, at least with propane. No doubt somebody will comment on that maybe, or correct me maybe even, I don't know, but that's how I do it anyway. Okay folks, that's it. Just wanted to show you that quickly, how I put my kiln into reduction and what I'm looking for in terms of the reduction and in terms of the temperature rise, and how to balance the two. Okay, thanks for watching folks, hope that's helpful to somebody. I will see you in the next video, maybe later tonight in the same kiln, or on the next one, whatever that is about. Okay, hey, take care and keep practicing. Talk to you later, bye bye.